Your career journey begins at the RAF Recruitment Centre. We will be looking at the role of Logistics Supplier. Whatever your background, there's a place for everybody. Recruits begin their 10-week basic training at RAF Halton. You will start your journey with induction by a senior member of staff before receiving your kit. We encourage people to take pride in everything they do. Your success is our success. Graduation is a time to celebrate your achievements. After training, you'll be sent to your new posting in the UK. As you move through your career, you will have opportunities to work across the world. On arrival, you'll be given a tour of your new base, where you'll be living and operating. We waste no time in putting you into work. Your duties could even include handling forklifts, refueling helicopters, organising supplies, and making deliveries. Time to put your training into action. You could be called upon to deliver humanitarian aid to people affected by worldwide disasters. Every aspect of the response is important. Be that working behind the scenes organising essential kit, to travelling across the globe bringing aid to where it is needed. Choosing a career in the RAF is no ordinary job. What you do as a supplier can really make a difference.